The legend is back, and it's stronger, sharper, and more exciting than ever. The 2025 Honda Africa Twin 650 has officially returned to the spotlight, and it brings with it a big change and a big, powerful engine to match. For fans of dual sport and adventure bikes, this is the news you've been waiting for. Welcome to Wheel World, where we dive deep into the latest motorcycles shaping the future of riding. Engine and performance, more muscle, more adventure. Let's talk power, because Honda didn't hold back. The new Africa Twin 650 gets a completely redesigned 650 Cu parallel twin engine, tuned for more torque, more top-end punch, and smoother delivery across all RPMs. With increased compression and improved fuel injection mapping, this engine delivers better low-end grunt, making off-road climbs easier and highway rides more thrilling. Whether you're carving through tight forest trails or blasting down long stretches of road, this engine responds with precision and raw power. Honda also worked hard on weight distribution, giving the new Africa Twin a perfect balance between agility and control. New frame and suspension, built for real adventure. The 2025 model features a new, lighter yet stronger frame, which boosts durability without compromising flexibility. Honda also introduced updated suspension tech, with show-along travel forks up front and a preload adjustable rear shock, tuned specifically for adventure riding. Ground clearance has been increased, and the bike rides taller, giving it a dominating road presence and serious off-road capability. Whether you're jumping rocks or navigating city streets, this bike keeps you planted, stable, and confident. Redesigned bodywork, aggressive and functional. Honda gave the Africa Twin 650 a fresh, aggressive look. The bodywork is sharper, more aerodynamic, and built with real-world functionality in mind. The new LED headlamp setup adds modern styling and improved night visibility, while the windscreen is now adjustable for better comfort during long rides. The fuel tank is also redesigned for better ergonomics and longer range. With a slimmer profile and better rider triangle, comfort is now a priority, even on the toughest terrains. Technology and features, smarter riding experience. This 2025 model comes packed with upgraded tech. Riders will appreciate the fully digital TFT display with smartphone connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and ride mode selection. Honda's selectable torque control, HSTC, and ABS are now even more refined, giving riders the flexibility to adapt the bike to any terrain or condition. Also new is a quick shifter system for clutchless gear changes, a first for the 650 Africa Twin class, making shifts quicker and smoother on both street and trail. Riding experience, refined and ready for anything. On the road, the new Africa Twin 650 feels tighter, faster, and more responsive. Off-road, it's rugged, dependable, and agile. Thanks for watching videos.